Hello viewers, this is Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to start writing HTML codes and how to create your very first website using HTML language only. And to start writing codes, you need a code editor, and in my most recent video, which is this one, I have showed how to download one of the best code editors, which is Sublime Text, into your computer, and I'm going to attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So now let me show you how to start writing code, and I'm going to explain everything step by step to you. So here is the Sublime Text. So first of all, we have to open the text editor. So let me click on it, and after that you are going to see an interface just like this, and as you can see here, plain text has been selected. So this is similar to the notepad which is available on our computer, just like this notepad, as it is a plain text editor. But if you want to start writing codes on HTML, CSS, JavaScript or any other language, then you can simply select that extension from here. So let's click on plain text, and you are going to see like ActionScript, AppleScript, ASP and many other coding language names. So here, as we are trying to create our first website using HTML and we are going to write HTML code, so here is the HTML to select. So let's select this one, and after that, if we simply enter angle bracket here and then type something like HTML, it is going to show us some recommendations, as you can see. So just select this one and you are going to find the full structure of a HTML document. And as you can see, let me explain everything here so that it will be easier for you to understand if you are a complete beginner. So the first thing here, exclamatory doc type HTML. This is to indicate that this document is the latest version of HTML document, which is HTML5. And after that, we have got these tags. These are actually tags. Okay, so HTML is a tag which is started here and ended here. So this is indicating that we are currently working on an HTML document. And then we have got head section. In the head section, we are going to provide the title information, which is, let me show you this part. As you can see on the browser, it will be appeared in this part. Okay, and then we are going to provide some other meta information, and we are going to put our scripts, which are going to be CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap or whatever we are going to work on. And then we'll have some more meta information, and we're going to learn about these things in our future videos. Then we have got body section. So the head section meta information which we are going to provide in this field are invisible. Okay, only the information which we are going to provide in title, it will be appeared in this part of a website. But if we want to show all of these information, or what are the information these are visible here, we have to enter them in between these body elements or body tags. So let me start creating a website here. So first of all, let me enter the title information. So this is my first website. This could be a title. And then if I just save this document, let me click on file and then click on save. And then I'm going to give it a name, index.html. The reason why we are putting .html is because we are giving the indication to the file that this document is a HTML document. It should work like an HTML file. Okay, so let's click on save. And after that, if we just visit or open this website in a browser by clicking on the right button, as you can see, open in browser. So let's click on it. It is going to show us a blank page because we haven't yet entered anything in between these body tags. Okay, as we have entered this title information here, if I just take you to the browser, just take a look. This is my first website is appearing in the title field as we have entered this information there. All right, so now we are going to put something here in this field. So let me show you how to do that. We have got few tags which we have to learn about, and we have to start using. But before I use any tag, let me put something here. This is some information. Okay, and let me save this file, and we are going to see something appearing here on this field. just take a look. This is some information, but this is not the correct way of writing anything in an HTML document. So basically, if it is a paragraph, then we have to enter this information in between paragraph tags. So what is a paragraph tag and how do you enter the tag? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give a space here, and then I have to enter angle bracket, and then for paragraph we use p tag, and we are going to learn about tags in our future videos. Then we have to enter angle bracket again, and then we have to close this paragraph tag. Okay, so to close a tag we have to enter angle bracket, then a forward slash and the tag name as it is already been entered, as you can see. So it started here and ended here. So this is the correct form of using a tag. So now if I just save this document again, so let's just reload this one. So now let me just enter some other information here. Okay, so I'm going to put something in a headings. So I'm going to take heading 1 as an example, and as you can see it already been appearing here. So I'm going to select so that I'll have the first starting tag and the ending tag. So let's just do that. So this one is starting tag and this one is ending tag. So now in between these tags we are going to type out something so that they will get headings 1, and I'm going to type something like this is heading 1 example, and let's save this file, save, and let's reload. And just take a look, this is a normal paragraph, this is heading 1, and if we just go to the editor again and if we just enter some other headings, let's say heading 2, h2, and we are going to select this one again so that we'll have the starting tag and the closing tag here. And now this is heading 2 example. Okay, so let's save this file, and I'm going to reload this page. Just take a look, heading 1, heading 2, and we have got 6 headings: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, and we use them accordingly on our it depends on the usage type or the time, okay, or the purpose when we are using what. So that's the way of getting started with HTML coding, and we are going to learn more about new tags, more about entering images, creating menus in our future videos. And if you want to get those videos, please let me know by commenting below. Like this video to encourage me to keep continuing uploading videos on HTML, CSS, and everything regarding front-end web development in future videos. And subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.